Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 16. So first thing first, if you are using a web browser in order to access your Roblox, make sure the browser is supported one. In my case, Chrome is completely supported, and if other browsers are having trouble, you may go ahead switch it to Chrome. And another is make sure you are not enabling any ad blockers. For that, select this extension icon. And as you can see, ad blocker is here. You may go ahead and turn it off for this one. Now once done, see if this fixes the problem. If it's still not working, then come below at the search bar, type in View Network Connection, open it. Once done, double-click onto the Wi-Fi that you are using, then select Properties. In here, locate IPv4, click on Properties again, and make sure this is exactly what you have in your desktop or PC as well. First of all, toggle on this button. At the second button, you will have to type in 8888, then 8844. Once done, click Apply, OK, and then close this. Now go ahead and restart your device, launch your Roblox, and this shall fix your problem. If it helped, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Techmates. If you want guaranteed answer to your question, subscribe to our Techmates membership. Members get priority responses. The link is right down below.